I think I just drank poisoning. Wait, Grandma, where's my cocoa melon bed? What are you doing? I'm hungry. Grandma, where's my water? Oh, Grandma. Oh, my bad. Level 10. Yeah! What are you looking at, Grandma? Face shop. I broke all of them. Oh. Grandma, you look very ugly. I am not gonna... We listen and we don't judge. You are very ugly. Holy, I need to give you a makeover. Look at her, she's so gorgeous. Grandma, I'm sorry. Actually destroyed. Oh wow. You wanna hit me with a pen? Alright, bet. Oh! I'll do it back. I'm so sorry, Grandma. I'm actually very sorry. I give you a very nice haircut. I'm just gonna make you something. I'm gonna make my masterpiece. Grandma, I'm done. Grandma, it's special treat. I found it near my litter box. What did I do, Grandma? I thought you'd like it. You can do it, buddy. How the frick does a Grandma, I'm gonna send you to the nursing home. I think my grandma's broken.
She wasn't there.
Can you protect me from Grandma? Yo, crazy position, crazy spot. It has a crush on me. Round 2. Oh!